Review hub. Brand name, Lefant. Model name, Lefant M210 Pro. Runtime, 120 minutes. Cleaning coverage, 120 square meters. Battery capacity, 2000 milliamperes. Max suction, 2200 Pa. Voltage, 19 volts. Weight, 3 to 6 kilograms. Number of operating modes, 3 to 4. Battery type, Li-ion. Dust box capacity, L, 0.5 L. Filter type, HEPA. Battery life, 2 hours. LCD, no. Cleaning route, planned type. Bag or bagless, bagless. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.